The fascinating world of pie bird. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a very niche and intriguing English phrase, pie bird. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and historical context. A pie bird isn't a bird made of pie or a bird that loves pie. It's actually a kitchen tool. Made of ceramic or pottery, a pie bird is a hollow, vented funnel in the shape of a bird. When baking pies, especially those with a lot of filling like fruit pies, steam can build up under the crust. This steam can make the crust soggy or even cause the pie to bubble over. That's where the pie bird comes in. When you're preparing a pie, you place the pie bird in the center of the filling, and then lay the top crust over it. The beak of the bird pokes through a slit in the crust. As the pie bakes, steam escapes through the hollow body of the pie bird and out of its beak. This helps to prevent the pie from boiling over and keeps the crust crispy. Pie birds have been around since Victorian times in the UK. Back then, and even today in some households, they're not just practical tools but also decorative items. They often come in charming designs and can be quite collectible. So, when you hear the phrase, pie bird, you now know it's not about a bird that loves to munch on pies, but rather a cute, functional tool that has its place in baking history. And there you have it. The mystery of the pie bird, unraveled. We hope you found this journey into English language and baking history enlightening. Remember, language isn't just about words and grammar. Sometimes, it gives us a delicious slice of culture too. Happy baking and learning!